Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a database in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on this login button. Fill in your login credentials and hit login again. Now go to this website's page and next to your website, click on this Site Tools button. Now go to Site from this left side menu and select MySQL. This is the MySQL Manager page, and from it you can create a database. Just for your information, database names are automatically generated, but you can assign a label later. Compared to Hostinger, it gives you the possibility to create a database with your selected name. Here, all you do is to hit this create database button, and your database with a random name is created. This is my database name. It still does not have a label. The database size is 0 megabyte because it is still empty. There is no user that can use this database yet. We will create it. And from these three dots, you can change label, import database dump, or delete this database. First thing I will do is I will create a label to this database to make management easier for me. So to label this database, I will go to this, I will click on these three dots and select change label. It is better, you can label it anything, but I recommend you to label it your website name. For example, Ben's tutorial.com. Click on confirm. As you can see, now I can know which website is this database for. Now, in order to use your database later, your database should have a user created for it with dedicated permissions. To create a user, just go to this users tab, and it's the same thing. Usernames are automatically generated. You can assign a label later. Click on this create user button, and just like that, a user with this name is created with this password, even the password is created for you. I think this password should be copied somewhere on your computer. Now what you need to do is to before linking this username with this password, it is also good to label this username to keep management easier. To do that, click on these three dots and select change label. Here, fill in your name. It is better, I recommend you to go with your name and hit confirm. Now my username have an easy to remember name, and now go to databases again, and to assign this username with this database, click on this little icon, user icon called add new user. Click on it, select your user from this list. This is why it is better to label your users in your SiteGround account for easy management. Here, give it all privileges and hit confirm. As you can see, now my database have a user. Now to access this database, but before that, if you don't want to keep using this default password, you can also edit it from the users tab. Next to the user you want to change the password for, click on these three dots and select change password. Fill in your new password here, and this is the old password and the new password should be here, and hit confirm. Let's do it. Click on confirm, and just like that, your password for user is changed. Close this window. Go back to the databases tab. Before ending this tutorial, let's see how to access this new database. Go to php Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and database inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And click on Access PHP My Admin button. A new window pops up, and on the left side menu, click on your new database. This is why it is better to label it with your password, with your website name. This table does not have any content or tables yet. And this is how to create a database in SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.